Yo, you heard the explosion. We're only talking about it because nobody got hurt. But let's talk about it from a construction standpoint. Every year you have a boiler inspection. Those things are being inspected because the federal government, which is NYCHA, is definitely not interested in having a lawsuit if something happened. But let's talk about the construction aspects of it. So you saw a flue. What that is the boiler actually breathing, and it has to go above the building. It was built out of masonry with internally probably something called the B vent that was made out of clay so that it wouldn't have an impact on the fire code and could be adjacent to a building. But since when they turned it on, I assume that there was some buildup of soot and gas that took a little flame, boom, it explodes. But what's interesting to me about it is the existing building had no problem. Now, why is that? Because when we built masonry buildings, there's specific types of bonds that we use. We have different, there's a Norman bond and I even forget because it's from school, like every 5th course we tie it in. So that means that this was structurally sound on its own. We see it in the facades of brownstones where the front facade is standing on its own and isn't keyed in to the side walls, which is the same thing that happened here. It wasn't keyed into the structure so that it went down, the building wouldn't go down. And that's so far what I'm seeing from the images, and we'll see when the experts come out in the future. But basically, masonry had a flue, and they got lucky because that explosion just stayed where it was weakest, which was its own standing structure, the flue.